Imagine if you want to create curve fillets here with blend curve. Let me tell you what is blend curve. In your curves on your palette, you have a blend curve folder that you can just open up the blend curve toolbox. And in blend curve, you can just select it and click on two different curves. Let me just create two different curves here. For example, here. Now, in order to create the blend, click on, for example, one curve here and another curve right here. And for going to another, just select pick nothing in order to redo the last process. Okay, it's done. Now, for each blend curve, you can just select blend point here, pick blend point, and then go to edit and just change the direction of the blend, or just, for example, click on this curve in order to make it blend to this one.